Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset an Oculus Quest 2, Meta Quest 2, whatever you want to call it. I've removed the sponge, the face mask, or whatever the hell this thing is called, just so I can actually film better through one of these and show you the menu that should appear. First thing that you need to do, turn it off from the menu or by holding this for 3 seconds until that blinks, and it should be off in a moment, and it's off. As you can see, absolutely no light in here whatsoever anymore. Now what you want to do is press at the same time power and volume down button and hold it for a few seconds just when you see a bit of flicker. That means it's actually turning on, and then you can release them and it should enter the boot menu. So let's do that. Hopefully I can press them at the same time. Couldn't really, but hopefully it's still enough. And we saw the flicker. So now we should be in the menu. Not sure if I'm able to... Okay, I was able to focus on that. And you can move with... sorry about moving it, it's a bit tricky. You can move with the volume buttons. Device info, boot info, sideload update. We are on factory reset. And now we simply press power button once while on factory reset. This is tricky to show you. Come on, all sorts of weird artifacts. And it's asking us, are you sure about this? Yeah, we are sure about this. It cannot be reversed. So again, from the volume buttons, yes, erase and factory reset. That line doesn't want, it went away. Again, press the power button. And now let it do its thing. And it's factory resetting. It's best to do this when you buy a second-hand unit, because you don't really want to be attached, tethered to whatever the previous owner had on this unit, on his unit, which is now yours. Or you want to do this before selling your unit, as you would do when selling a phone. You heard it beep. Most likely, quite soon it will come up with the setup menus. Any day now, still doing its thing. It's basically a really similar process to what you would do on a mobile phone. Okay, maybe it's not even going to turn on by itself after it finishes this, and it waits for you to turn it on then again. Not sure about that. Seems to be off. Let me see. Yeah, does seem to be off. So maybe I need to turn it on. Oh, no, I didn't get to touch it. So just wait. Wait and it will turn on by itself. So it was still doing stuff. Do we have anything on screen? Not yet, but this is white, so it's still doing stuff. Do not touch the buttons, then it means that we need to wait for it. So I'll be back when anything else appears. And something did appear, but obviously I need to hold this in my hand and look up as you would do, because it's the pairing tutorial for your controls. So yeah, this thing is reset like you would buy a new one. From this moment on, you will just follow the instructions, and that's what I will also do. Not on video, because this will take a while. So hope this video helps you and shows you how to reset this thing. If it helps you, give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.